And then the shit that pissed me off is y'all niggas always, oh, Lily, why you not soft? Or you need to be a little more soft, or you too aggressive, or you too hard, or your guard's always up. I don't have nothing to make me soft. Like, y'all niggas ain't doing nothing to make me soft. There's no way. Like, I always have to stay in fucking survival mode. Like, I always gotta, like, you niggas be, just don't do enough to even make a bitch soft. Like, I want to be nurturing. I want to be caring. I want to be soft. I want to just let, you know what I'm saying? I want to just sit back and let a man be a man, but y'all niggas ain't even being that. Y'all niggas being more bad. Y'all niggas being more bad bitches than the bad bitches. Like, ain't no way. Like, y'all niggas don't want to, y'all don't feel good when it's like you change a tire or you do something manly, go fishing, go do something. Like, y'all niggas don't be on no shit like that. Y'all don't want to get hot. Y'all don't want to get sweaty. Y'all don't want to get y'all manicures fucked up. Like, I hate you niggas.